All right, for this video, I wanted to discuss the PATH Act and how it pertains to income tax returns every year with respect to the child tax credits, the earned income tax credits, and why taxpayers have to wait. So, way back in 2015, Congress passed this Protecting Americans from Tax Hikes Act, or for short, we call it the PATH Act. And this act, so it's over 200 pages long. There's a lot of changes and material in there. But one of the big changes that they made, in addition to just modifying some of these tax credits for American workers, is they made changes to when refunds could be issued for certain types of credits, right? So we refer to these delays as the PATH Act provisions, but these have been actual amendments to the Internal Revenue Code. So you can find these rules in Section 6402. So 6402 basically allows the IRS, so within that section, it governs a variety of rules, allows the IRS to refund overpayments to taxpayers, right? So that's what we call income tax refunds. But the PATH Act added a section, right? So the PATH Act added Section M, right? So Section M, so if you go to IRC 6402M, it added a section titled Earliest Date for Certain Refunds. And so the text reads that no credit or refund of an overpayment for a tax year shall be made to a taxpayer before the 15th day of the second month following the close of such tax year, if the credit allowed to such taxpayer under Section 64, so 64 subsection D, or Section 32, right? So before the 15th day of the second month following the close of the year, well, that's February, right? Second month of the close, second month following the close of the December 31 tax year is February, and 15th day, so Feb 15, right? Now, Sections 24 and 32, Section 24D. So Section 24 covers the child tax credit itself, and then specifically 24D covers the refundable portion. And so the refundable portion of the child tax credit is what we commonly call the additional child tax credit. And then Section 32 there is the earned income credit, right? So it's these two sections that are impacted by this Section 6402M, right? So that's why even though the tax filing season kind of opens towards the end of January, if you file right away, your refund is still going to be on hold if you're claiming either the additional child tax credit or the earned income tax credit. And it is because of Section 6402M, right, which was added in 2015 as part of the PATH Act. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Just clarified why it is that these refunds are delayed in that manner. And so obviously if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. Happy to answer any questions I can. And I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Thanks.